in the last class we have completed up to this point. Just memorize these conditions. These conditions also are memorized. As we know, in JK flip-flop, the preset and clear, this should not be 0-0. Rendu kuda 0-0 combination. When it is 0-0 condition, this is called invalid condition. Similarly, the remaining conditions, when preset 0 and clear equals to 1, this is called as whatever the inputs J and K, it is indicated as X and X, that is don't care condition. Q of n plus 1 equals to 1, that is, this is called as set condition. When it is 1, 0, the second condition, this is called as reset condition. This is called as reset condition. 1, 0 is called as reset condition, that is Q of n plus 1 equals to 0. Now, when discussing about the remaining steps, when both J preset and clear equals to 1, 1. Preset clear 1, 1 is the meaning in this is working in synchronous mode. Now, we have to check the inputs for J and K. When JK is 0, 0. Now, JK and SR and out. SR ki JK ki circuit diagram modification, but the operation is functional table is same. Okay. When J equals to 0, K equals to 0, there is no change condition. That is Q of n plus 1 equals to Qn. That is next state equals to present state. When it is 0, 1 condition, this is called as reset condition. Q of n plus 1 equals to 0. When it is 1, 0, it is set condition. Q of n plus 1 equals to 1. And this is the condition that is invalid in the SR flip-flop. That is when S equals to 1 or R equals to 1, that is invalid state or indeterminate state in SR flip-flop. That is eliminated in JK flip-flop. That is when both S and R, when both J equals to 1 and K equals to 1, this is called as toggle condition. Toggle means it will complement the previous state. Previous 0 into 1 or 1 into 0. That is if reset equals to 1 and clear equals to 1 and clock equals to 1, and J equals to 1, K equals to 1. Let, if you assume Qn equals to 1, then in the next state Qn equals to 0. That is Q of n plus 1 equals to Qn bar. Now Qn bar and meaning resistance and previous state lo unnadani eppudu toggle chestundi. Okay. JK flip-flop toggles or complements the previous states. Its output at the end of each clock pulse. Ikkada ee point gurtu pettukoవాలి. ఇది ఎప్పుడు toggle చేస్తుంది? For every clock pulse, it will toggles at each clock pulse. And ప్రతి clock pulse edge ఎక్కడైతే మనకుందో ఆ edge దగ్గర toggle అయిపోతుంది. అంటే నాకు J ని K ని ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఉంచేసుకున్నప్పుడు, if the previous value is 0, it will complement 0 to 1. If the previous value is 1, it will complement to 0. You can observe the state here. We have identified when the both J K equals to 1. This is the first condition we have observed. And J K equals to 1. You can observe J equals to 1, K equals to 1. Then the previous value of Q of n equals to 1. Ikkada 1 kanipistundi. This is complemented. This is toggle to 0. Similarly, here in this clock pulse also, when both the J and K are 1, the previous value of Q is 0. This is complemented to 1. Like this, the toggling statement for each and every clock pulse. And clock pulse ekkadaithe edge trigger avutundo, aa edge దగ్గర మాత్రమే previous state ni toggle చేస్తుంది. And this is the disadvantage that is available in SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop lo manaki disadvantage that is eliminated using JK flip-flop. That is JK flip-flop is complements the previous state when J equals to 1 and K equals to 1. Okay. And this condition is called as toggle condition. And here in JK flip-flop also we will have one disadvantage. We will discuss the disadvantage in next term. And meeku ee flip-flops అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను మళ్ళీ disadvantage చెప్తాను. Disadvantage అంటే ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను. It is called as race around condition. The disadvantage in JK flip-flop is race around condition. ఒక కండిషన్ వస్తుంది. అదేంటంటే మన క్లాక్ పల్స్ అనేది కంటిన్యూస్ గా మారుతున్నప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ కూడా కంటిన్యూస్ గా మారుతుంది. అంటే ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ if it is level trigger, నేను లెవెల్ ట్రిగ్గర్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు if the clock is changing to 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, when both the J and K are set to 1, the value will be automatically complemented to 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. That is called as the race around condition. We will discuss the race around condition after completion of D flip-flop and T flip-flop. Okay. This is the JK flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, we are having the disadvantage. The disadvantage is called as race around condition. That is eliminated by using master slave JK flip-flop. The disadvantage in JK flip-flop is race around condition. That race around condition is eliminated by using master slave JK flip flop. Okay. Once we complete the remaining two flip flops, we'll go for the race around condition. Then you will get an idea. And ఎలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలన్నది మీకు ఎలా గుర్తుండాలంటే you have to remember this functional table. Okay. మీరు functional table మీరు by heart చేయాలి లేదా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. The entire function table. The table is same as SR flip flop except the last condition. This condition in JK flip flop, this will be toggle condition. Now we everyone memorize for 1 minute. Sir, memorize cheyandi. We are using this statement. This statement వాడుకుంటూ మనం చేస్తాం. Okay. చూడండి నేను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను. JK 0 అయితే no change condition will happen. 01 is 0 reset condition, 10 is 1 set condition, 11 is toggle condition. 11 is toggle condition. Now we are going to continue the remaining two flip flops. It is very easy. Once if you memorize the JK flip flop మీరు memorize చేసుకుంటే చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. జస్ట్ ఒకసారి చూడండి ఏం చేస్తున్నాం. Okay. See, now we are going for the next one, D flip flop. Now we are seeing the D flip flop. In the D flip flop, if you observe, in the D flip flop, 1 minute. Just for comfortness, just I am copying the same thing. In the D flip flop, the D flip flop is called as data flip flop under delay flip flop and see here in the JK flip flop, if the J and K inputs are shorted through an inverter, it is acting like a D flip flop. In a JK flip flop, when the J pin and K pin are connected together, if you observe, okay, now we will continue. As we have said, in the JK flip flop, when J and K inputs are tied together through the inverter, this is called as D flip flop. It is called as data flip flop, or it is called as delay flip flop. Which, if you observe the block diagram observe cheste, we will have only one pin. Naku okate pin chupistunna input side. Remaining pins are same as of JK flip flop. JK flip flop block diagram chustunte, in the JK flip flop ki manaki rendinti kuda same untundi. The difference is in the J pin is connected through the K through the inverter. This is called as JK flip flop. Naku play avutunna functional table. If you observe the functional table of JK flip flop, okay, here I have highlighted the functional table of JK flip flop. This is the functional table for the JK flip flop. The same values. మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, J ని K ని కనెక్ట్ చేసాను. ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేసాం? ఇన్వర్టర్ ద్వారా. ఇన్వర్టర్ ద్వారా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నా అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? If the J equals to 0, then K will be equals to 1. If J equals to 1, K equals to 0. That is, we need to concentrate only these two conditions. That is, whenever J is 0, K will be complemented. Whenever J equals to 1, 1 is complemented to 0. That is, this is a D flip flop. This will in this G flip-flop, we are checking only the two conditions J and K. There is J is connected to the K to the inverter. Now, if we D kabatti D kamutunna, we have to connect the D as 0 or 1. In D ki 0 istunante emutundi, the 0 will be connected to the J. The same 0 will be complemented through the inverter that will be connected to the K. Similarly, if D equals to 1, D is connected to the J. The 1 will be inverted and this will be connected to the K. And now D ki only one condition vastundi. When D equals to 0, when D equals to 1. There is, we are going to check only this condition. D 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏంటి, D 1 D equals to 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏంటి condition. And the remaining things are same now. If you observe here, the first condition, when the preset 0 and clear equals to 1. The preset 0, clear equals to 1. This is the same the condition that is same in the JK flip-flop. When it is 0 condition, 0 1 condition, this is called as set condition. There is the next state will be equals to Q of n plus 1. Next state will be equals to Q of n plus 1 equals to 1. Similarly, the next condition, when preset equals to 1 and clear equals to 0, when preset equals to 1, clear equals to 0, this is called reset condition. This condition is also same, that is in the functional table of JK. JK ki SR kuda same ఉంటుంది. 1 0 అయితే Q of n plus 1 equals to 0. Similarly, and we are going to check the remaining two conditions. When both the pins are 1 1, when both the pins are 1 1, if you don't apply the clock, and the clock apply చేయకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది, clock 0 ఇస్తే whatever may be the value, this value will be equals to Q of n, and the no change condition. అంటే ఇనిషియల్ గా మనకి present state అనేది present state లోనే ఉంటుంది. Okay, the final condition we are checking when preset equals to 1 and clear equals to 1 and the clock equals to 1, that is clock is positive edge trigger. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే this is the positive edge trigger clock. Positive edge trigger clock. When the clock equals to 1, when D equals to 0, if you apply D equals to 0, the 0 will be complemented and that should be given to K. 0 1 condition ఏమవుతుంది, this will be 0 1 condition. The first line of here in the JK flip-flop, when it is 0 1, this is called as reset condition. That will be 0. And D ki 0 is the 0 transmit ayindi. D ki 1 is the 1 ki transmit. Whatever the input you are giving, the same data will be transmitted to the output. Okay, simply the name ante delay device antaru, or buffer device antaru, or data device antaru. And input lo mana 0 apply cheste, output lo kuda 0 vastundi. 0 vastundante meaning enti, it is passing through the first level NAND gates and second level NAND gates with the delay. నా ఫస్ట్ లెవెల్ NAND గేట్స్ కి సెకండ్ లెవెల్ NAND గేట్స్ కి డిలే ద్వారా పాస్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి వెయిట్ 1 minute. మనం తెచ్చుకోవాలి
లేదంటే అర్జెంట్ బుక్ అని తీసుకొచ్చేది అంటే కనుక మరో కంటెంట్ తీసుకొచ్చేది వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు కోసం 12
sorry, here in D flip-flop is called as data flip-flop or delay flip-flop. If the D input equals to 0, output Q of n plus 1 equals to 0. If D input equals to 1, output Q of n plus 1 equals to 1. Simply, it will transmit whatever the input you are applying. Input limit 0 apply cheste 0 transmit chestundi, 1 apply cheste 1 transmit chestundi. The circuit configuration you can verify, this is same as JK flip-flop. The only difference is here for the J and K, we are connecting through an inverter. That is called as D flip-flop. That is called as D flip-flop. Functional table kuda మీకు సేమ్ రెండింటి కూడా సేమ్ లానే ఉంటుందని ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. And if you verify the timing diagram, timing diagrams గురించి మీకు మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రీకాల్ చేస్తుంది ఎలా ఉందని. We are discussing about this timing diagram. Here we are checking only with respect to the clock condition. We are assuming that initially the preset equals to 1 and clear equals to 1 and the clock equals to 1, and we are checking the first condition. Ee condition check chestam. Assume that this is the positive edge trigger. Positive edge trigger ante evavutundi, na signal anedi positive line lo manaki this is the triggering with respect to this clock pulse. Ee clock pulse the triggering. If you observe here, during this clock pulse, D input equals to 0. D 0 ante evavutundi, the value of D is 0 at this position. D is 0 at this position. Therefore, with respect to the function of D is 0, Q of n plus the next state is also 0. Next state is also 0. Okay. Similarly, you will check the next second condition. The next clock pulse ఎక్కడ వచ్చిందని, if you observe in between the clock pulse, and నాకు ఈ పీరియడ్ మొత్తంలో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే, this is the clock duration. Clock యొక్క స్టార్ట్ అయింది, this clock is started and this is ended up to this point. నాకు క్లాక్ ఎక్కడ అయిందన్న పాజిటివ్ ఎడ్జ్ కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ పాజిటివ్ ఎడ్జ్ దగ్గర ఉన్న డేటాను మాత్రమే అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ద డి వాల్యూ ఇస్ చేంజింగ్ బిట్వీన్ 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. చూడండి 0 to 1 చేంజ్ అయిందండి. The d value is changed from 0 to 1 here, again from 1 to 0 and again 0 to 1. And continuous again the d input and 0 to 1, 1 to 0 modify. But this is not reflected in the output. If you observe here, this changes in the input is not reflected in the output. నాకు ఇన్పుట్ లో d అనేది 0 to 1 చేంజ్ అయింది, 1 to 0 చేంజ్ అయింది, మళ్ళీ 0 to 1 చేంజ్ అయింది. But this is not reflected in the output since this is positive edge trigger. Now positive edge అంటే whenever the signal is observing this positive edge of the clock, clock యొక్క పాజిటివ్ edge ఎక్కడైతే కనిపిస్తుందో అక్కడ ఉన్న డేటాను మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటుంది. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ గా ఏదైతే మన డేటా వస్తుందో ఆ డేటాలో ఉన్న చేంజెస్ ని అవుట్పుట్ లో రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు చేంజ్ అవుతుంది? నౌ ద సిగ్నల్ విల్ బి రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ only for the second clock pulse. This is the second clock pulse. Here during this clock pulse only the data is going to be changed. The second clock pulse during this clock pulse again it is seeing the d input equals to 0. D input during this clock pulse the d input equals to 1. Therefore the output value is also changed to 1. Output value is also changed to 1. Now within this interval second clock pulse, during this interval whatever the changes that is appearing across the d input, మళ్ళీ d ఏమైంది 1 నుంచి 0 కి చేంజ్ అయింది, 0 నుంచి 1 కి చేంజ్ అయింది. These changes will not reflect at the output. Therefore the output remains same until this clock pulse. ఈ clock pulse అయ్యేంత వరకు కూడా the output is same. Until this clock pulse the output is same. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ డ్యూరేషన్ వరకు కూడా అవుట్పుట్ అనేది 1 లోనే రిమైన్ అయిపోయింది. ఎందుకని డి అనేది ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 0 to 1 చేంజ్ అయినా క్లాక్ పల్స్ ఎక్కడైతే ట్రిగ్గర్ అయిందో అక్కడ డేటాను మాత్రమే అవుట్పుట్ లో ట్రాన్స్మిట్ చేసింది. ఓకే, we'll see the third clock pulse. If you observe the third clock pulse event is occurring at this point. This is the third clock pulse. During this clock pulse again we can notice the d input, the data input is 1. Therefore the output is also 1. Okay, similarly if you observe during this clock pulse again the d input is changing the value 1 to 0, 0 to 1, but the output is not changed. The output is fixed to 1 only up to this point. Okay, even though the input data d is changing, here the d value is changing again here. During this interval the d value is changing from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, but this changes in input data is not reflected in the output. Okay, మనం జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ ఎడ్జ్ ట్రిగ్గరింగ్ అనేసరికి during these edges whatever the input data is there, that data will be reflected in the output. In between the clock pulse, if the data is changing, those unwanted changes is not reflected in the output. These are two conditions. Two conditions check చేశాను. మనకి ఇన్పుట్ d equals to 1 అన్నప్పుడు చెక్ చేశాను కండిషన్, ఇన్పుట్ 0 అన్నప్పుడు చెక్ చేశాను. d 0 అన్నప్పుడు 0 ట్రాన్స్మిట్ అయింది, d 1 అన్నప్పుడు 1 ట్రాన్స్మిట్ అయింది. This is the way how we need to draw the timing diagrams. నేను ఇక్కడ డౌట్ ఏమైనా ఉందనంటే anyone has any doubt? D flip flop అంటే ఏంటంటే, see, D flip flop is nothing but JK flip flop. If the J and K inputs are connected to an inverter, then it is called as D flip flop. The J and K inputs are connected to the inverter, then it is called as D flip flop. The functional table you can verify. The D is indicating whatever the input data is there, it will be transmitted to the output, which is transmitted through the delay. Delay in the question, we are having the first level NAND gates and second level NAND gates. Each NAND gate will have certain delay. అంటే నాకు ఇన్పుట్ లో 1 ఇస్తున్నా, అవుట్పుట్ లో 1 వస్తుంది, బట్ 1 ఇన్పుట్ నుంచి అవుట్పుట్ ట్రాన్స్మిట్ అవ్వడానికి మనకు కొంత డిలే పడుతుంది. దట్ delay is due to the NAND gates. NAND gates ద్వారా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఆ delay అనేది మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది. Okay, this is the functional table and the timing diagram. Similarly, same JK flip-flop can be used as a T flip-flop. See, T flip-flop is called as toggle flip-flop. T flip-flop is also called as toggle flip-flop. See, in JK flip-flop, the inputs are shorted together, then it acts as T flip-flop. The inputs are shorted together, then it acts as T flip-flop. Then it acts as T flip-flop. So it acts as T flip-flop. See, it is, you can observe, it has only one input referred as T input. T input la kanipistundi. That is working for the T equals to 0 and T equals to 1. If T equals to 1, it acts as a toggle switch. This means for every clock pulse, the output will toggles. When T equals to 1, it acts as a toggle switch. That means for every clock pulse, the output is changing its value. Here, this is we have an application. This is used for the frequency divider. We will discuss what is frequency divider. See, observe here. The functional table. Now, JK functional table ki verify cheste. If you observe the functional table of JK, in that functional table, we are discussing about the J equals to 1 and K equals to 1. Now, J and K here we have shorted J value and K value. J and K here the J value is shorted to the K value. You can see here. This is the shorted connection between J and K. And this is the J input. This is the J input. And this is the K input. This is the K input. The J and K are shorted together. We call this as toggle flip-flop. That is, T equals to 1 apply cheste, we have to check for that particular condition. We can verify when T equals to 1, T equals to 1, J equals to 1, K equals to 1. This is the condition for T equals to 1. Similarly, for T equals to 0, we can see this condition. Okay. Now, JK ki రెండిటి కూడా కామన్ వాల్యూ అప్లై చేయాలి. T equals to 0 apply చేస్తుంటే J equals to 0, K equals to 0. If T equals to 1 means J equals to 1, K equals to 1. Therefore, the functional table is modified. You can observe here the same functional table. We are discussing this condition. When preset equals to 1 and clear equals to 1, that is, the flip-flop is working for synchronous circuit and the clock equals to 1. The first condition we are verifying when T equals to 0. T equals to 0 and J equals to 0, K equals to 0. This indicates no change condition. Whatever the previous value is, then the same value will be continued. Similarly, when the preset equals to 1 and clear equals to 1 and clock equals to 1 and T equals to 1, T equals to 1 and the last condition of JK flip-flop, J equals to 1 and K equals to 1. I can verify whenever this condition is appearing, this will indicate this is called as toggle condition. That is QN bar. QN bar and previous QN 0 unte 1 avutundi. Previous 1 unte 0 complement avutundi. Okay. Here this is the T flip-flop. And the output waveform, output response, if you observe, this is similar to the square wave waveform. Square wave waveform lo man generate avutundi. This is also called as frequency divider antaru. Okay. You will see the response with respect to the waveforms. See here. T flip-flop. In the T flip-flop, we are going to check the condition. Time and diagram జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. This is the interval. Clock started. During this interval, the input is there is no change in the output. ఇది నాకు previous రెండు ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. This is the first clock pulse. అక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ clock pulse కి arrow mark. This is the first clock triggered, first positive edge. During this interval, check the data across T. T దగ్గర ఏముందన్న? This is the value we are giving. You can see the T value at this point is T equals to 1. T value at this point, this is 1. Therefore, what is indicate T1 and meaning it? See in the functional table for T equals to 1, for t equals to 1, it is complementing the previous value. What is the value of previous? The previous value is 0. You can check the previous value of output. The q is the output. The previous value is 0. This value is complemented when the output equals to 1. The output equals to 1. Even if generated after seeing the positive edge, after seeing the positive edge of the clock, it will check the data across the t. T input దగ్గర ఏ డేటా ఉందో చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది. t equals to 1 కాబట్టి by seeing it as 1, this will complement. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, అవుట్పుట్ ఏం చూపిస్తుంది, ప్రీవియస్ వాల్యూకి కాంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తుంది. q equals to 0 కాబట్టి this is complemented to 1. This is first condition, and this condition will remain same until the next clock pulse. Next clock pulse అంటే during this entire interval. The entire interval లో కూడా మొత్తం కూడా the output will be same. Already dotted lines లో ఉంది. During this entire interval, whatever the changes in the input value t ఏమైంది, t is changing its value. ఎలా చేంజ్ అయింది, 1 నుంచి 0 కి చేంజ్ అయింది. If you observe, the value of t is changed to 1 to 0 in between the clock pulse. In between the clock pulse, the value is changed to 1 to 0. Even though the t value is changed from 1 to 0, there is no edges appearing across the clock. Therefore, the output value remains the same. The output value is same remaining. మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు చేంజ్ వస్తుంది, this value will be changed for the next clock pulse. See, the next clock pulse is here. We are seeing the next clock pulse. This is the second clock pulse. During this interval of time, what is the value of t? T value is 0. T value is 0 కాబట్టి at this interval, ఈ interval దగ్గర t value is 0 ఉంది. Therefore, what is value in the function table? See, when t equals to 0, the next state will be q of n. అంటే previous గా ఏదైతే ఉందో అదే కంటిన్యూ. That is, the 0 will be previous గా t equals to 1 కాబట్టి the same one will be continued. The same one is continued at this point also. Previous గా 1 ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు కూడా 1. ఎందుకని, t equals to 0 అయితే it has to remain the same value. t equals to 0, the q of n plus 1 equals to qn. Previous గా qn 1 ఉంటే 1 ఉంటుంది, 0 ఉంటే 0 ఉంటుంది. And this value remains same until this clock pulse. ఈ clock pulse అయ్యేంత వరకు కూడా same. The value will, there is no change until this clock pulse. ఈ clock pulse అయ్యేంత వరకు కూడా ఏ చేంజెస్ ఉండదు. Therefore, the same value will be continued up to this point. ఈ పాయింట్ వరకు same value continue. Even though the t value is changed from 0 to 1. T value అనేది again in between this, the t value is changed from 0 to 1. This will not reflect the output. Again, the output will be changed during the next clock pulse. What is the next clock pulse, Rana? If you observe the next clock pulse, in the next clock pulse I will take third clock pulse. During this interval, the third clock pulse, the t value is 1. 1 ante meaning enta, it has to toggle the output. Therefore, the t equals to 1 కాబట్టి it will toggle the previous state. The previous state of q is 1. Previous state of q 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి this will be 1 will be toggled to 0. 1 will be toggled to 0, and this will remain same until this clock pulse. This will remain same until this clock pulse. ఈ clock pulse అయ్యేంత వరకు కూడా same value మనకు అవుట్పుట్ లా కనిపిస్తుంది. Even though the input value is changed. Input value t is changed from 1 to 0. 1 to 0 change అయింది. ఈ 1 to 0 change అయినా this is not reflecting in the output. Okay. Now one more time, we have to explain the flip-flops using the timing diagrams. Timing diagrams తో మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి. కన్ఫామ్ గా నోటేషన్స్ మీరు ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. ఇన్పుట్ లో వచ్చే చేంజెస్ అవుట్పుట్ లో ఎలా రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుందంటే, సిన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎడ్జ్ ట్రిగ్గరింగ్, ఎడ్జ్ లో మారుతుంది కాబట్టి ఎడ్జ్ లోనే చూపించాలి. ఓకే, లెవెల్లో మారితే లెవెల్లో చూపిస్తాను. ఓకే, ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రాను ఇక్కడ? We have completed the flip-flops and SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, T flip-flop and D flip-flop. 4 flip-flops కంప్లీట్ చేశాను. ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి అడగండి. We have completed SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D. Any doubts? 4 flip-flop conditions to set up, and we are concluding all the flip-flop conditions in one table. A table లో కంక్లూడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత and I have already explained that SR latch discuss చేసాం NAND gate తో, తర్వాత SR latch NOR gate తో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. After that we have verified SR flip-flop using synchronous clock circuit. చూపిస్తాను కానీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసిన అండ్ ఒకసారి చూపిస్తాను. జస్ట్ వెరిఫై SR flip-flop. This is synchronous clock with a positive edge trigger. We have discussed this and we have verified the output responses and output equations for SR flip-flop for all the conditions. After completion of this SR flip-flop, we have verified synchronous and asynchronous mode. In the synchronous mode ki asynchronous mode ki ela cheyalante preset clear ni define chestu SR flip-flop define chesam. What is the importance of preset and clear? The preset and clear is introduced to make the flip-flop to work in asynchronous mode. Flip-flop in asynchronous mode lo work cheyalante we have to apply preset value and clear value either 0 or 1. Rendu 0 matram apply cheyalum. If you apply the both the preset and clear equals to 0, this is called as invalid condition. You are getting an invalid condition when the both preset and clear equals to 0. Therefore, we should not apply both the pins to 0. We have to apply either preset to 0 or clear to 0 to work the flip-flop, to work the flip-flops either in asynchronous mode. Okay, JK avachchu, SR avachchu, T avachchu, T avachchu. We have to remember this condition. Next, the next condition, we have verified the SR flip-flop all the conditions. After that, the disadvantage of SR flip-flop is the last condition when S equals to 1 and R equals to 1. This is called invalid condition or indeterminate state or uncertain state. This state is eliminated using JK flip-flop by making the circuit modification such that the QN bar is connected to the J input as well as QN is connected to the K input. In the feedback connections lo first level kaakunda second level kuda connection chesam. Ila modify cheyadamto emayindi disadvantage uncertain state of SR flip-flop is eliminated and this is flip-flop is named as JK flip-flop. Here, what is the advantage here? Here, the remaining all the conditions are same, but when J equals to 1 and K equals to 1, which is called as S equals to 1 and R equals to 1. Here, the output state will be toggles. Toggle ante the previous 0 ante 1 ki maarutundi, previous 1 ante 0 ki maarutundi. Eppudu maarutundi ante for each and every clock edge ఎప్పుడైతే కనిపిస్తుందో during this particular clock edge, ఈ clock edges దగ్గర మాత్రమే అవుట్పుట్ లో చేంజ్ కనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, this is the advantage when it is compared with SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop disadvantage eliminate చేయడానికి JK flip-flop వాడుతుంది. But in JK flip-flop also we have one disadvantage. The toggling is not good now. ఎందుకంటే నాకు అవుట్పుట్ అనేది 0 లో ఉంటుందా 1 లో ఉంటుందా మనం ఎప్పటికీ డిఫైన్ చేయలేము. ఎందుకంటే కంటిన్యూస్ గా కాంప్లిమెంట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇలా కంటిన్యూస్ గా కాంప్లిమెంట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి we cannot determine the output state or a stable state అనేది కనిపించదు. ఆ స్టేబుల్ స్టేట్ ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడానికి the disadvantage in JK flip-flop is called as the race around condition. That is, output is continuously changing from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 during the as and when the clock is a constant or the clock pulse is changing. The clock అనేది level triggering లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం అనేది మనకు వస్తుంది. We will see what is that problem. That problem is called as race around condition. That race around condition is eliminated using master and slave configuration of JK flip-flop. ఇదే సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రమ్ 2 times డ్రా చేస్తాం. ఇలా మనం ఫుల్ యాడర్ యూజింగ్ 2 హాఫ్ యాడర్స్, ఒక హాఫ్ యాడర్ ఇంకో హాఫ్ యాడర్ లేదా కనెక్ట్ చేసాం. JK flip-flop is converted into master and slave. Master is a JK flip-flop, slave is also JK flip-flop. By using that connection, we will eliminate the toggling condition. Toggling condition is stable condition తీసుకొస్తాం. And then the next flip-flop we have discussed is D flip-flop. In D flip-flop, when the J input is connected to the K through the inverter ద్వారా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే we call this as D flip-flop, delay flip-flop or data flip-flop. The meaning ఏంటంటే ఇన్పుట్ లో 0 ఇస్తే అవుట్పుట్ లో 0 వస్తుంది, ఇన్పుట్ లో 1 ఇస్తే అవుట్పుట్ లో 1 వస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? సర్టెన్ డిలే. ఎంత డిలే అది? క్లాక్ పల్స్ అంటే క్లాక్ పీరియడ్ ఎంత ఉంటుందో అంత డిలే కనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ద D flip-flop. Next one, this is the timing diagram for D flip-flop. And T flip-flop, when the J and K inputs are connected together and short చేసాను, ఇలా షార్ట్ చేసి కనెక్ట్ చేయడం ద్వారా we are calling this as T flip-flop. This is called as toggling condition when will verify only these two conditions. When t equals to 0, t equals to 1. T equals to 0 అయితే previous state remain అవుతుంది. T equals to 1 అయితే previous state ని toggle చేస్తుంది. Okay, these are the conditions we have discussed for K flip flop and its waveform.